Hi there.
Hi.
Welcome. I'm Officer McCarthy. You can grab a seat here. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. And I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Can you please state your name?
Lucas Sherman.
Okay. And Lucas, when is your birthday?
March 5th, 2010.
Okay. And do you go by any other name than Lucas?
My street name is Tuna Fish.
Okay. And Lucas, what were you incarcerated for?
Trespassing. I jumped off my neighbor's roof.
Oh, that's a pretty serious offense. Have you ever committed any other crimes?
No, I'm a first timer.
Find that hard to believe. Who do you live with, Lucas?
I live with my mom and stepdad half time and with my dad the other half.
Gotcha. Okay. And who do you plan to go and live with now that you're going to be out on probation?
I'll keep the same schedule.
Okay. It's pretty consistent. Good. What's the last year that you attended school, Lucas?
4th grade. I dropped out because there was too much homework.
Too much homework. Okay. So, can you tell me a little bit about what happened the day that you jumped off the roof?
Well, I was too mad because my favorite world
On Fortnite?
wouldn't download. So I went outside, then it wouldn't download. So I went outside, then I saw me and Mr. Henry yelling at his dog. So once he went back into the house, I climbed the side of the house and jumped off the roof. I stayed for a few minutes and then he came out and saw me and yelled, "Get down!" That he called the police after hearing me up there. So I jumped down and hid in my room. It wasn't a big deal.
It actually is a very big deal, Lucas. Do we have to worry about you bothering Mr. Henry when you leave here?
Nah, I don't think so. Like I said, I was mad about my Fortnite game.
Okay. Who will be your support system, Lucas, when you're released on your probation?
My parents and I, some friends that have gotten me a job as a mechanic.
A mechanic. Wow. Okay. And what are you planning to do to earn your GED?
I'm enrolled in classes at my school by my mom's.
Okay. And Lucas, have you ever had any mental illnesses that you're aware of?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Would you be interested in some additional counseling when you are out on probation?
Yes, counseling was very helpful for me. I liked going while I was in the big house. I will continue to go.
Okay, great. Lucas, do you drink alcohol or do drugs?
No, my mom would kill me.
She sounds like an excellent mom. How are your sleeping habits?
They are fine. My bedtime is at 8:30 or 10 on the weekends, and I usually wake up by 7.
Okay, great. Okay. Lucas, who will be supporting you financially until you get back on your feet?
My mom and stepdad.
Okay, sounds like you've got a good plan there. And going forward, what is your plan for staying on the right path?
I'm going to keep to counseling and learn how to manage my anger. I'm going to stay around my support system.
Okay, great. Is there anything else that you would like for me to know so that I can help you if and when it's needed?
Not that I can think of, but I will call you if I think of anything.
Okay, that sounds wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Lucas. I appreciate you coming down. Don't fall. Okay, and I'll be in touch, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye.
Here, let's look at it.